What will happen to our planet as the sun gets older and brighter? How will life adapt to the changing climate? And how can we prevent a runaway greenhouse effect? Hello and welcome to Curiosity, where we explore fascinating topics from history, science, culture and more. Today we are going to talk about how the sun ages and how the Earth heats up. First of all, let's understand how the sun works and why it changes over time. The sun is a giant ball of gas that produces energy by nuclear fusion. This means that it fuses hydrogen atoms into helium atoms in its core, releasing heat and light. The sun has been doing this for about 4.6 billion years, and it will continue to do so for another 5 billion years. However, as the sun uses up its hydrogen fuel, it gradually becomes hotter and brighter. According to Scientific American, the sun is about 30% brighter now than it was when it first formed. This means that the Earth receives more solar radiation than it did in the past. However, this does not necessarily mean that the Earth is warmer now than it was before. The Earth has a complex climate system that responds to various factors, such as greenhouse gases, clouds, ice sheets, ocean currents, volcanoes and human activities. These factors can amplify or dampen the effect of solar radiation on the Earth's temperature. For example, greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane trap some of the heat that would otherwise escape to space, making the Earth warmer. This is known as the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is not a bad thing by itself. In fact, it is essential for life on Earth. Without it, the Earth would be too cold for liquid water and most living things. However, too much of a good thing can be harmful. If the greenhouse effect becomes too strong, it can cause a runaway warming that makes the Earth uninhabitable. This is what happened to Venus, our sister planet. Venus is closer to the Sun than the Earth, but it also has a much thicker atmosphere with a lot of carbon dioxide. As a result, Venus has a surface temperature of about 460 degrees Celsius, 860 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. So how can we avoid becoming like Venus? The answer is to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions and slow down global warming. According to NASA, the Earth is trapping nearly twice as much heat as it did in 2005, due to the increase of greenhouse gases from human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation. This is causing unprecedented changes in the climate, such as rising sea levels, melting ice caps, extreme weather events and biodiversity loss. To prevent these consequences from getting worse, we need to act now and switch to cleaner and renewable sources of energy. So there you have it, how the sun ages and how the Earth heats up. A challenge that requires us to understand our place in the solar system and our impact on the environment. We hope you learned something new and interesting today. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for watching Curiosity. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.